Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here. Just heading down to the beaver pond, take a look, see what's happened since the snow went away. Well, what have we here? Eggshells, feathers. Over here, a lot more feathers. Well, those feathers are definitely partridge. And those eggs, they're smaller than chicken eggs. They're about 1.5 inches long. Maybe just 1 inch long, I guess. And anyway, it looks like whatever it was caught a nesting partridge, ate the partridge and ate 2 of the eggs. It's not easy being a ground-dwelling bird. So it gives you an idea of the size of the egg. It's about the size of a quail's egg. So anyway, life must go on. For meat eaters to eat, something has to die. Well, this is the muskrat pond. As you can see, the water level's gone down a lot this spring. I've never seen it this empty. Now the beavers are up that way a little further. The other way. The beavers are up that way a little further, and it looks like it's deeper there, but anyway, we'll take a wander up and see what the water level's like. Here, water running. Okay. Okay, so that's where the drain is. It's draining under this path over to the other side. And then down in that direction. So I wonder if that lower water has affected the beaver population. There's still a trail here where the beavers go back and forth across the road. Notice it right here. And down into that area there. Maybe the beavers are just moved down into that area now. Wow, most of this was all submerged. Oh, there's ducks over there. Try to get closer. Guess I got too close. There's one of the beaver lodges. And there's a couple back there too. Some right there. Still a bunch of ducks here. Not sure what kind of ducks those are. Actually, they have like great big long beaks. The drake is quite colorful. And that's his mate down in the lower right hand corner. But anyway, there is some beaver activity here, as you can tell by these birches. But I don't know. The water level goes down. Well, it's gone down at least a foot. So at least 30 centimeters. Makes a big difference for their habitat. Beavers are attracted to the sound of running water, like there was in that hole over there. And so, if I was a beaver, I'd be busy trying to plug that hole up. So, till next time, this is Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.